ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। इन वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 95. Two types of anumanams are there: swarthanumanam and pararthanumanam. Nyaya darshan, how many avayavas they expect for anumana siddhi?
5.
And Bauddha darshana?
2.
2. And Mimamsakas?
3.
3. पूर्व मीमांसा और उत्तर मीमांसा?
Both.
That shloka you should know. तत्र पंचतयं केचित् द्वयं वयं त्रयम् उदाहरण पर्यन्तं
यद्वाउदाहरणमादिकम्
यद्वोदाहरणादिकम् यद्वा उदाहरणम् आदिर येषां त्रयाणां तत् उदाहरणादिकम् in this way. Okay. So in Tika, what is Nyaya? Vakshyamana avayava ghatita vakyam avayava samudaya hai. That is Nyaya, because in Moolam it is given Nyayo nama avayava samudaya hai. Nyaya is avayava samudaya. What is that? He says Vakshyamana avayava ghatita vakyam is avayava samudaya. तथा च, लास्ट लाइन इन टीका, तथा च अनुमान प्रयोजक वाक्यार्थ ज्ञान जनक वाक्यत्वम न्यायत्वम। अनुमान प्रयोजक वाक्य वाक्यार्थ ज्ञान जनक वाक्यत्व वाक्यार्थ ज्ञान जनक वाक्यत्व. What is the vakyartha jnana when it comes to anumana? See the line. Pankti is anumana prayojaka vakyartha jnana janaka vakyatva. In avayava, such vakyas will be there. That will be called avayava samudaya. Anumanam is going to be what? Parvato Vanniman. So, Parvata has Vanni Sambandha. This is going to be the Anumiti. Tasya Prayojaka Vakyartha. Jnana Janaka Vakyatva. So, this Anumana Prayojaka Vakya. Prayojaka hoga. Prayojaka will be Hetu, etc. Hetu is the Prayojaka for Anumana. In Anumana, Paksha is there, Sadhya is there. Paksha is Pratyaksha Siddha. Sadhya is what is understood through Anumana Pramana. Vanni Siddhi is done through Anumana. Parvata Siddhi is there through Pratyaksha. So Anumana Prayojaka Vakyartha Jnana Janaka Vakyatvam. So all those Vakyas which will help you in producing Anumanam. In Anumana Pramana, the Anumiti that will come. All of those are Avayava. That Vakyatvam is called Nyayatvam. Tadrisha Nyaya Janya Prayojyam Vyapti Jnanam Pararthanumanam ityartha. So Nyayatvam is Anumana Prayojaka Vakya. Anumana Prayojaka Vakya will be Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. This is Anumana Prayojaka Vakya. And which Dhuma? Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvata or Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. So Anumana Prayojaka Vakyartha Jnana Janaka Vakyatvam. This is Nyayatvam. In the Moolam, what was said? Avayava Samudaya is Nyaya. And Pararthanumana Siddhi, for that you need Nyaya. Parartham tu Nyaya Sadhyam. So you need for Pararthanumana such Vakyas. Which Vakya? Those Vakyas which have Avayava Samudaya. And Avayava will be these three. Pratigna Hetu Drashtanta. Like that. Or Drashtanta Upanaya Nigamana. So Tadrisha Nyaya Janya Prayojyam Vyapti Jnana. Tadrisha Nyaya Janya arising from such Vakya, Nyaya Janya Prayojyam is Vyapti Jnanam. That Vyapti Jnanam, he puts it as Pararthanumanam ityartha. So for Pararthanumanam, since we need only three, Vyapti Jnanam, which is going to be Vyapti Jnanam is Prathama Avayava, Dvitiya Avayava or Tritiya Avayava?
Dvitiya.
None of them.
They will give third one. Udaharana. How? Parvato Vanniman, Dhumat. Then Yo Dhumavan Sa Agniman or Vanniman. Yatha Mahan. It is given in the Tika further. See, read. Vyapti Jnanam Pararthanumana Vityartha. Avayavasya Kati iti apekshayam avha avayavasya trayaha eva. Three avayavas. Sadhyata avachedaka avachinna. Sadhya Vishayata Vilakshana. Vishayataka Bodha Janakatve Sati. Prakrita Pakshe Prakrita Sadhya Bodha Janaka Mahavakyeka Deshatvam Pratignya Vayavatvam. It sounds so big and difficult, but it is very easy. So, one of our Mahatmas said, whenever this Avachedaka and all comes, I stop reading only. It is not that difficult. Sadhya. What is our basic anumanam for Drishtanta? You have to keep answering.
Parvato Vahniman.
Parvato Vanniman. What is Sadhya?
Vahni.
What is Sadhyata Avachedaka?
Vahnitva.
Vannitva is Sadhyata Avachedaka. Sadhyata Avachedaka Avachinna will be what?
Vanni.
Vanni. Sadhyata Avachedaka Avachinna is Vanni. Sadhyata Avachedaka Avachinna is Sadhya. So that is Karmadhara. Sadhyata Avachedaka Avachinna Sadhya is Vanni. Vanni Vishayata Vilakshana Vishayataka. Vanni Vishayata Vilakshana Vishayataka Bodha Ajanakatve Sati means that which is not producing jnanam of something other than Vanni. Vanni Vishayata Vilakshana Vishayataka Bodha Ajanakatve Sati. Prakrita Pakshe Prakrita Sadhya Bodha Janaka Mahavakyeka Deshatvam Pratignya Avayavatvam. In Prakrita Paksha, Prakrita Sadhya Bodha Janaka. Sadhya is Vanni. Sadhya Bodha Janaka Mahavakya Ekadeshatvam. Mahavakya will be Parvato Vanniman. If you take, its Ekadesha is Vanni. Prakrita Sadhya Bodha Janaka Mahavakya Ekadeshatvam is Pratignya Vakyam. Parvata is already Pratyaksha. Vannitva in Pratyaksha is actually the Pratignya Avayavatvam. Or in different words, if you want to say, in Parvato Vanniman, what is Videya?
Parvata is Vidhi.
And what is Vanni?
Uddeshya.
Or is it the other way? Parvata is Uddeshya. Vanni is Videya. Vanni Vidhanam is happening. Uddeshya is already known. Videya is what is not known. So Parvato Vanniman. Uddeshya is what?
Parvata.
Parvata. Vanni is Videya. So the Sadhya Bodha Janaka Mahavakya Ekadeshatvam Pratignya Avayavatvam. It is the Avayava of Pratignya. Yatha Parvato Vanniman ityadi. So Pratignya Vakya is one Avayava. When we say Pratignya Vakya means the Vidheya part of Pratignya Vakya. But everything is taken together. Then Sadhyata Avachedaka Avachinna Sadhya. Up to this you already know. Sadhyata Avachedaka Avachinna Sadhya is what?
Vahni.
Vanni. Sadhyata Avachedaka Avachinna Sadhya Anvita Swarthaka Tadrisha Ekadeshatvam Hetva Avayavatvam. What is the Hetu Avayava? Sadhyata Avachedaka Avachinna Sadhya se Anvit. So Vanni Anvit. Anvit means that which is interwoven there. But how? Anvita Swarthaka Tadrisha Ekadeshatvam. There Swarthaka Tadrisha Ekadeshatvam means the dhuma which is anvita in vanni, but it is there in ekadesha. Ekadesha means yatra yatra vanni tatra tatra dhuma is not true. But yatra yatra dhuma tatra tatra vanni is true. So in its ekadesha, sometimes you may get samavyapti. But here साध्यता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न साध्य अन्वित स्वार्थक तादृश एकदेशत्वम. So ekadeshatvam will be the hetu. Hetu will be always vyapya of sadhya. Yatha dhumat. So dhuma is vanni anvita swarthaka tadrisha ekadeshatva. Hetu avayava is like this. In ekadesha of vanni, that which stays, that to prove its existence or reality, swarthaka. Swasya artha yatha dhumad ityadi. So two avayavas are done. Pratignya avayava, hetu avayava. Now, sadhanavatta prayukta, sadhyavatta anubhavaka, uktavayavattvam, udaharanavayavattvam. Udaharana avayava is what? Sadhanavatta prayukta. Sadhana is what?
Dhuma. Dhuma.
So sadhanavatta prayukta, sadhyavatta anubhavaka. Sadhanavatta se prayukta, that which is prompted by dhuma sadhana, sadhanavat, through that which is prayukta and that which gives the anubhava of sadhya. Sadhyavatta anubhavaka. So through dhuma, which is the sadhana, that which prompts me to get the anubhava of sadhya, which is vanni, that avayava is called udaharana. In this udaharanam, they take vyapti. See, yatha yo yo dhumavan sa so agriman, yatha mahanasa ityadi. Yo yo dhumavan sa so agniman, that which is having dhuma will have vanni, yatha mahanas. And so what this avayava is saying, vyapti and drashtanta both. Parvato vanniman dhumat, yo yo vanniman sa so vanniman, yatha mahanasam. This is the tritiya avayava. प्रकृत उदाहरण उपदर्शित व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष बोध जनक न्यायिक देशत्वम उपनय अवयवत्वम. What is upanaya avayava? He explains. Prakrita udaharana upadarshita. Udaharana is the tritiya avayava. Udaharana upadarshita vyapti vishishta paksha bodha janaka. Vyapti vishishta paksha. Vyapti vishishta paksha means what?
Parvato Vaknima.
No, what is vyapti?
Vahmi vyapya dhumavan ayam parvatah.
They have given yatha vanni vyapya dhumavanscha ayam in the next sentence. So Vyapti should become Visheshana for Paksha. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha means this. Danda Vishishta Devadatta means Danda becomes Visheshana for Devadatta. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha means Yatra Yatra Dhumas Tatra Tatra Vanni. In other words, Vanni Vyapya Dhuma. Vanni Vyapya is Dhuma. Tadvan Ayam Paksha Parvata. So Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Bodha Janaka Nyaya Ekadeshatvam is Upanaya Avayavatvam. That is the Upanaya Avayavat. Yatha Vanni Vyapya Dhumavansya Ayam. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvata. Or Tathacha Ayam. That Tathacha Ayam is enough. Because in the Panchavayava Upanaya is Tathacha Ayam. Means Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam. And the last one is Nigamanam. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharma Hetu Jnapya Sadhya Vishishta Paksha Bodhaka Nyayika Devshatvam. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata. So Vyapti Vishishta means Vanni Vyapya Dhuma. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvata. Paksha Dharma, in Paksha Dhuma is there. Paksha Dharma Hetu Jnapya Sadhya. So in that, because Vanni Vyapya Dhuma is there in that Parvata, therefore, because Paksha has Dhuma, therefore it is doing Sadhya Siddhi. So it is Sadhya Vishishta also. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharma Hetu Jnapya Sadhya Vishishta Paksha Bodhaka Nyaya. Tasya Ekadeshatvam Avayavatvam. It is simple once you know what is happening to Anumana. Vyapti Vishishta. Vyapti Jnanam is there. Dhumavan Ayam Parvata. Yatra Yatra Dhuma Tatra Tatra Vanni. That Tad Vishishta is Paksha because Paksha has Dhuma. So in Paksha, once you get Dhuma Jnanam, but not ordinary Dhuma. Which Dhuma? Dhuma which has Vanni Vyapti. So Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharma Hetuna Jnapya Sadhya. So now Sadhya also will become Visheshana for Paksha. So Sadhya Vishishta Paksha Bodhaka. Earlier I had Paksha Jnanam. Ayam Parvata. Now I have Sadhya Vishishta Paksha Jnanam. So you see, one is Paksha Jnanam, second is Hetu Vishishta Paksha Jnanam. Dhumavan Ayam Parvata. Third is Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata. Means Vyapti Vishishta Hetu Vishishta Paksha. First is only Paksha. Is one category. Second is Dhuma Vishishta Parvata. Hetu Vishishta Paksha. Because I see Dhuma, I see Parvata. That much I. What, so somebody may see only Parvata and stop. Somebody will see Parvata and will see Dhuma and stop. Third person says, no, I see Parvata, I see Dhuma, I also have the Vyapti Jnana. Yatra Yatra Dhuma Tatra Tatra Vanni. So Vyapti Vishishta, Dhuma Vishishta, Parvata. So for that person now, fourth Jnanam will take place. Vyapti Vishishta, Dhuma Vishishta, Sadhya Vishishta Paksha. Because now Vanni also is known to this person. How does he know Vanni? Because he has Vyapti Smaranam, Udbodhanam, and Dhuma Darshanam. और तादृश साध्य बोधक न्यायिक देशत्व, और इन सिंपल वर्ड्स तादृश साध्य बोधक न्याय एकदेशत्व. तादृश मीन्स व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्म हेतु ज्ञाप्य साध्य बोधक न्याय एकदेशत्व, और साध्य विशिष्ट पक्ष बोधक न्याय एकदेशत्व. आइदर वे इट इज टेकन. In other words, in Nigamanam, Sadhya Jnanam should take place. And that Sadhya should be Visheshana of Paksha. In Parvato Vanniman, if somebody will ask what is Visheshana, what is Visheshana?
Dhoma.
What was my Vakya?
Vahni.
Parvato Vanniman. In that, what is Visheshana? What is the Visheshana?
Vahni.
Vanni. Parvato Vanniman. Vanni is Visheshana. Parvata is Vishesha. What is Videya?
Vahni.
Vanni. Parvata becomes
Uddesha.
Uddesha. So Uddesha Videya also we should know. Paksha Sadhya also we should know. Visheshana Vishesha also we should know. Only two things are there, but three different names are there. निगमन अवयवत्वम यथा तस्माद अग्निमान, तस्माद वन्यमान. दिस इज द निगमन. इत्यादि. ननु प्रतिज्ञा हेतु उदाहरण उपनय निगमन रूपाः पंचावयवा इति वदताम् नैयायिकानां पक्षम अनादृत्य अध्वर मीमांसकानां पक्ष अभ्युपगमे को हेतुः. पूर्व पक्ष और somebody is asking a question that pratignya hetu udaharan upanay nigamana, 5 avayavas are there according to Naiyayika. प्रतिज्ञा हेतु उदाहरण उपनय निगमन रूपाः पंच अवयवाः इति वदताम् नैयायिकानां पक्षम अनादृत्य. नैयायिक पक्ष you are rejecting, not giving any respect. And adhvara mimamsakanam, adhvara means what is adhvara? Adhvara means yajna. Those who are into yajna agadi, karma mimamsakas, adhvara mimamsakanam paksha abhyupagame, and you are accepting the side of Purva Mimamsaka and you are rejecting Naiyayika. Why you are Vedantin? You had two options, either join with Naiyayikas or join with Mimamsaka. You went to Mimamsakas. Mimamsakanam paksha abhyupagame ko hetu rityaha avayava trayena eva vyapti paksha dharmatayor upadarshana sambhavena adhika avayava dvayasya vyarthatva. With 3 avayava only vyapti paksha dharmata jnanam takes place. तथा च प्रथम पक्षे उपनय निगमन कृत्यम हेतु प्रतिज्ञाभ्याम द्वितीय पक्षे. Everybody is understanding this?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
What about other people?
The last line, Swamiji.
What last part?
What is What are we arriving at the last?
Hmm?
What
Mm.
are we arriving at in the last statement?
In the last sentence means this Nanu. These
After
five
the-
avayavas, everybody knows. What are the five avayas? Avayavas? Pratignya, Hetu,
Drishtanta,
Upa-
Nigamana.
Upanaya, Nigamana.
Nigamana.
So up to that is clear,
Yes,
or the
Swamiji.
fifth one is not clear.
It's clear, Swamiji. Up to that is clear.
Everybody else? These five
Yes.
avayavas are clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Based on this, then there is further discussion. So somebody saying, why are you taking only 3 avayavas like Mimamsakas? Why are you not taking all 5 avayavas like Nayayikas? So he says, with 3 avayavas, we can get Paksha Dharmata Jnanam, Vyapti Jnanam, and that is enough for doing Anumanam. So we can get Anumiti. 3 avayavas are enough to do complete Anumanam, and we'll get the Anumiti of the Sadhya. So we don't need 5. That is his Svakya. Avayava Trayana Eva. That is what is given in the Mula. Avayava Trayana Eva. Tathacha. Prathama Pakshe. What is the first Paksha? Upanaya Nigamana Krityam. Hetu Pratignabhyam. Dvitiya Pakshe. Hetu Pratignya Krityam. Tabhyam. Kartum Shakyam. Prathama Pakshe. Upanaya Nigamana Krityam. Hetu Pratignabhyam. So what is the first Paksha? Prathama Paksha means?
प्रतिज्ञा हेतु उदाहरण रूपाः
Pratignya Hetu Udaharana. This is Prathama Paksha. In that, which two are not present?
Nigamana.
Upanaya Nigamanam are not there. So he says Hetu Pratignabhyam. With the help of Hetu and Pratignya, Upanaya and Nigamanam are done. Upanaya Nigamana Krityam. Hetu Pratignabhyam. Krityam means Karyam. So Upanaya Nigamana Karyam Hetu Pratignabhyam. With the help of Hetu and Pratignya, Hetu will take care of Upanaya, Pratignya will take care of Nigamana. It is same. So that part is done. Dvitiya Pakshe Hetu Pratignya Krityam. Hetu and Pratignya in the Dvitiya Paksha. Hetu and Pratignya are included or not?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yeah, how many of you say no? Raise your hands. Correct. No. Answer is no. In the Dvitiya Paksha, 3 are there. Udaharana, Upanaya, Nigamanam. So Hetu Pratignya are not there. Dvitiya Paksha, see, Prathama Paksha, 3 are there. What are the 3?
Pratigna hetu uda.
Pratignya Hetu Udaharana. So Dvitiya Paksha, what are the 3?
Drishtanta Upanaya Nigamana.
Udaharana, Upanaya, Nigamana. So which are 2 not there?
Hetu
Pratignya, Hetu.
Hetu and Pratignya. Hetu Pratignya are not there. I mean, these are basics. If I have to use so much time to just explain these things, Vedanta paribhasha itself is taking forever. This is such a simple thing. प्रथम पक्षे उपनय निगमन कृत्यम हेतु प्रतिज्ञाभ्याम, द्वितीय पक्षे हेतु प्रतिज्ञा कृत्यम ताभ्याम. What is ताभ्याम?
Upanaya Nigamana.
When I say ताभ्याम, then answer will be
उपनय निगमनाभ्याम.
उपनय निगमनाभ्याम. उपनय निगमनाभ्याम हेतु प्रतिज्ञा कृत्यम कर्तुम शक्यम. Enough. Through upanaya nigamana, I can do hetu pratignya in the second case, and in the first case, through hetu pratignya, I can do upanaya nigamana. Anumiti upayogi jnanam cha sarvavayava krityam iti bhavaha. So anumiti upayogi jnanam sarva avayava krityam. Sarva avayava means 3 avayavas. All the 3 avayavas are needed for anumiti upayogi jnanam. Okay. Nirupita anumanasya prakrite prayogam aha. So now anumana prakarana is over. Now what is the use of anumanam in Vedanta? So see the moolam. Evam anumane nirupite tasmat brahma bhinna nikhila prapanchasya mithyatva siddhihi. So when anumana siddhi takes place, then brahma bhinna nikhila prapancha is mithya. Brahma bhinna nikhila prapanchasya mithyatva siddhi. Now here they have given one anumanam, but you can take the prasiddha anumanam. Vyavaharik prapancho mithya. What is the hetu?
Drishyatvat.
Drishyatvat. What is the drishtanta?
अतः
Rajya or swapna prapanchavat, either you can give. Both of them are good. Any pratibhasika drishtanta where mithyatva is already sammatam. Sammatam means both pakshas, they accept pratibhasik vastu as mithya. Vyavaharik prapancha is paksha. Vyavaharik prapancho mithya. Drishyatvat. Rajju sarpavat. Shukti rupyavat. Swapna prapanchavat. This is the prasiddha. Here he has given slightly different. See, tatha hi. Brahma bhinnam sarvam mithya. Brahma bhinnatvat. Yadevam tadevam. Yatha shukti rupyam. Yadevam tadevam you remove. That is the vyapti part. Brahma bhinnam sarvam mithya. Is this absolutely accurate vakya? Brahma bhinnam sarvam mithya. So much thinking. It's such a simple question.
There is
Brahma
no Brahma Bhinnam. Brahma is Sarva.
Brahma is sarvam. Okay. So let us say there is, at the time of Viveka, we are doing the Viveka between Brahma and Brahma Bhinna. From absolute standpoint, yes, there is nothing other than Brahma. So that means, but if somebody says Brahma Bhinnam Sarvam Mithya, is there any dosha in this Vakya or not? There is a dosha in this Vakya. What is the dosha? I had explained this earlier, only few classes back. asat is Brahma Bhinna, but it is not Mithya. Shashavishana, Vandhyaputra is Brahma Bhinna. There are 4 entities.
Paramarthik, Vyavaharik, Pratibhasik and Asat.
Paramarthik, Vyavaharik, Pratibhasik and Asat. So this answer should have come immediately. After I gave the answer, then it is okay. So when you say Brahma Bhinnam, so you have to understand Brahma Bhinnam Sadrupena Jnatam. And now we have to justify the Vakya. So we should have a Vakya where Asat is not considered. So then you say Brahma Bhinnam Sadrupena Jnatam. So Pratibhasik and Vyavaharik Vastu are known as existing, or thought of as existing. So Brahma Bhinnam Sadrupena Jnatam. Sarvam Mithya. All of Pratibhasika, all of Vyavaharika is Mithya. Why? Brahma Bhinnatvat. Now here you see. What is the hetu?
Brahma Bhinnatvam.
Brahma Bhinnatvam is the hetu. What is Pakshata Avachedaka?
Brahma Bhinnatvam.
Brahma Bhinnatvam. So hetu and Pakshata Avachedaka are samanam in the sarvana. Brahma Bhinnam Sarvam Mithya. Brahma Bhinnatvat. It is like saying Parvato Dhumavan Parvatatvat or Parvato Vandiman Parvatatvat, because it is Parvata. So what is the problem with this? I think
Drishtanta we will not find anywhere.
Drishtanta they have given Shukti Rupyam. Yadevam Tadevam Yatha Shukti Rupyam. Shukti Rupya is Drishtanta. In Drishtanta, Hetu is there.
Yes, Swamiji.
Brahma Bhinnatvam is there. In Drishtanta, Sadhya is there.
Yes.
Yes.
Mithyatva is there. So what is the Vyapti now?
Yatra yatra Brahma Bhinnatvam tatra tatra Mithyatvam.
Yatra yatra Brahma Bhinnatvam tatra tatra Mithyatvam. So Drishtanta is there. In Drishtanta, Hetu is there, Sadhya is there, Vyapti Jnanam is also there. So many points are already clear. So not that Drishtanta will not be there. Some other problem will come. What is the problem? When you do Upanaya, what is the nature of Upanaya? In the 5 steps, Upanaya is, what is the Swarupa of Upanaya?
Tatha cha ayam.
Tathacha Ayam. Tathacha Ayam. So Ayam is what?
Paksha.
Paksha. And Tathacha means either you say Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha, or you say Dhumavan Ayam Parvata, because Vyapti Jnanam is already there. So Tathacha Ayam means everybody is following or not. See, this is why I tell people, you attend classes if you are prepared. These classes, they require a lot of preparation. Only sitting in class is not enough. Even Shravanam will not happen properly, but definitely it will not happen if you are not catching up these words. Tathacha Ayam. Tathacha Ayam means धूमवान अयम पर्वतः, right? So here धूमवान, instead of that हेतुमान, हेतुमान अयम पक्षः. ब्रह्म भिन्नत्ववान means ब्रह्म भिन्न, ब्रह्म भिन्न ब्रह्म भिन्नम, और ब्रह्म भिन्न ब्रह्म भिन्न. तथा च अयम, अयम is paksha. Paksha here is what?
Brahma.
Brahma Bhinna.
Brahma Bhinna. And Tatha cha will be what?
Brahma.
Brahma Bhinna.
Brahma Bhinnatvavan. Brahma Bhinnatvavan, Brahma Bhinnatvavat will be Brahma Bhinna. So Brahma Bhinna, Brahma Bhinna. Upanaya Vakya will have problem in this Anumana. That's why best is you use Vyavaharik Prapancho Mithya Drishyatvat, Jadatvat, Parichinnatvat, whatever hetu you want to give, Shukti Rupya Drishti. Sadhya and Drishtanta will remain same. Paksha, just make Vyavaharik Prapancha. And hetu you give Drishyatva. That Anumanam is saral and more accurate. This Anumanam you can get entangled. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.